Good morning. Welcome to our Tuesday morning meditation together. Hopefully you've already done the 15-minute yin yoga practice for Tuesday morning, and you know that our affirmation today is I express myself with clarity and ease. This is really what we are going to try to focus on and embody as we meditate together. So come to take a seat, get comfortable and settled. Think of lengthening the crown of your head up towards the sky, softening your shoulders down and away from your ears. Wherever your mind tends to go, try to anchor it to the rhythm of your breath, to the sensations present in your body, or by internally repeating our affirmation. I express myself with clarity and ease. I express myself with clarity and ease. Expression that can be verbal as well as nonverbal. Stay present with this affirmation with yourself, and you'll hear a bell when 5 minutes have passed. Feel how your breath travels all the way down to the base of your spine, as if it could anchor you into the earth, while at the same time lengthening the crown of your head even higher. I express myself with clarity and ease. Take a cleansing breath in through your nose, big sigh out your mouth. Releasing the affirmation. Let's bring our hands together at the heart, Anjali Mudra, and we'll close with Om. Inhale to chant, big breath in. Thank you so very much for doing this Tuesday morning yoga and meditation practice with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment before you go, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow for our Wednesday morning yoga and meditation practice.